Hi, I'm Jackie from Street Library. The VE Day celebrations have prompted me to share some First World War memorabilia with you. My grandmother lost two brothers in the First World War. Jack was 25 and single. Bert was 33 and married with children. Here are their medals. I also have a memorial known as a big penny, and this scroll, which was sent from Buckingham Palace when Jack died. Jack and Bert sent some beautiful embroidered postcards from France and Belgium. The messages are very poignant. Here are just a few of them. To my dear mother from your loving son, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bert, kiss, kiss, kiss. My heart is in England. Dear mother, this card speaks the truth, I can tell you, but I would much rather the whole of me be there too. Best love, your son, Jack. 1917, Souvenir de Belgique. Best love and kind regards, mother, to all, hoping the war will end in the year this card signifies. I've been inspired to use the Ancestry website, which Somerset residents can access for free with their library membership on Libraries West. I've also downloaded the Who Do You Think You Are magazine, which helps you to uncover your family history, from RB Digital, which is the Somerset Libraries free online magazine service. Have you found any interesting items lurking in your home? If so, why not share them with us? They don't have to be historical. We'd love to see any treasures you've found.